Hey everyone, just showing a TLS caliper kit we finished up today for a customer. These are spec'd for Honda Accord fitment, and these calipers are basically modified for direct bolt-on application to a lot of Honda and Acura vehicles. You get a whole set of brand new hardware, so caliper bolts, pad pins, and the pad clips, and a set of decals, and you get to choose either powder coating or Cerakote. These were done in Cerakote flat black, which is a very high temp resistant coating, and these won't like fade or anything on the track or have any issues like powder coat generally will. If you're really pushing the brakes hard, getting a lot of heat into the calipers, you definitely want to go for a Cerakote finish. So if you guys want to order this for your Honda or Acura, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can purchase this caliper kit online. And if you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.